Now I'm standing in the front gate of the Malaysia Embassy in Pyongyang. According to the report by the Korean Central News Agency, the Foreign Ministry of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea announced on the same day that it will cut the diplomatic relationship with Malaysia for extraditing one of its nationals to the United States for money laundering charges. The DPRK businessman living in Malaysia was accused of supplying prohibited luxury items from Singapore to Pyongyang in violation of UN sanctions. Malaysia's top court ruled that he can be extradited to the United States. The KCNA report said, with regard to the grave situation that has prevailed, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the DPRK hereby announces total severance of the diplomatic relations with Malaysia, which committed a super-large hostile act against the DPRK in subservience to the U.S. pressure. The report added that the businessman was engaged in legitimate external trade activities and warned that the Malaysian authority would bear full responsibility for all the consequences to be incurred between the two countries.